Okay, I can find a tripod, the big one I have. It should be somewhere in my house, but I can't find it. So I'm starting with the short tripod I have, and today I'm going to share my current life with you. I quit my 2 jobs in 2023. It was about 2.5 years ago. At that time I thought I would find another job, and I can make money very easily within 6 or 10 months. But even if I become a content creator on Instagram, mainly on Instagram, it was really not easy to make enough money or the same amount of money I earned when I had the 2 jobs. Just because I don't want to lose my English speaking skill. Even if I worked as a English grammar teacher for about 10 years, I really couldn't have enough chances to speak English. So I think that's one of the main reasons why I don't really speak as fluently as I expect. So I decided to practice more often from now on. We'll see what happens. I became a content creator. I worked mostly on Instagram. From till now, I could get collaboration opportunities with many yoga brands or yoga stays in Korea, and then even in May 2025, I could get 3 days of stays in Taiwan, which was very exciting. I was so proud of myself, but it was not easy to make money. Content creators have many pipelines to make money. As far as I know, mostly from their ads, 광고, and second from their own goods like bags or towels, whatever they make with their own business. It could be templates, and I even tried to make journal templates, but it wasn't really easy to make fancy one. And now I really focus on making contents with my life updates. I read books about wounded inner child because I found out that many relationship problems, or the reasons why you couldn't start something very easily, or the reasons you quit easily, is from the past when you were a child. So I become interested in my past, and I wondered what happened when I was young. So this book is one of the books I chose to read, and I read about 18 pages so far. It was quite interesting, and it wasn't really hard to read. So I want to highly recommend you to read one day. Hopefully I have an opportunity to introduce this book, whole book. The line in this book: one way a person builds a strong sense of self is by developing strong boundaries. Like the borders of country, our physical boundaries protect our bodies and signal us when someone is too close or tries to touch us in an inappropriate. Our sexual boundaries keep us safe and comfortable sexually. Our emotional boundaries tell us where our emotions end and another's begin. They tell us when our feelings are about ourselves and when they are about others. We also have intellectual and spiritual boundaries, which determine our beliefs and our values. When a child is wounded through neglect or abuse, his boundaries are violated. This sets the child up for fears of being either abandoned